West Africa viewers, and welcome to Coffee with the Editor. Our guest today is Brian Monakali, the CEO of the Railway Safety Regulator, and it's almost 100 days, so it's a great time to touch base. How's it been going?
It's been going very well. Busy. I think the time of me joining the regulator, also aligned with the new Railway Safety Act number 30, 2024, proclaimed on the 1st of August, which is the date that I joined SARA. So you can imagine, there's a lot of work, there's a lot of expectations for us as a regulator to ensure that we strengthen our capabilities and be ready to respond to the challenges in the industry.
Going forward, the plan of action with the Rail Safety Regulator and the SARA region, what is the goal, what's the vision, what are the plans?
Remember, a Railway Safety Regulator is already a member of SARA, which is made out of SADC countries, sit on the board. We've been participating for quite a number of years. However, now we need to step up in terms of the performance, not just South Africa, but also the rest of the regions. We're all undergoing a recovery phase on rail, rail being the backbone of the economy. So there's a lot of work that we are embarking with the team that is leading SARA, and looking at participating in the standards, technical standards development, standards that will ensure that there's harmonization, interoperability. Because when a train leaves South Africa and goes to, for example, Maputo, Mozambique, the train doesn't see that I'm in Mozambique or I'm in South Africa. So we need to have a seamless movement of train across the borders of the countries. So there's a lot of work we're going to be working on with SARA, with the technical committees of SARA, to ensure that we can improve the standards and have standards that are compatible between each other. Just like you have, I think Europe is one of the examples. The train moves from one end of the country to the other. So that is possible because the technology allows that, the engineering solutions allow that, but most importantly is the people that need to drive it and get it going. So we're going to be working a lot, because now the Act also allows us to have active, participation and collaboration with our counterparts. So it's still a work that we're going to be planning with SARA going forward.
So you guys are going to get really busy now with open access and the 11 new train operating companies. When do you think we're actually going to see trains on the track? The
timing is determined by them in terms of by when, but all we do as a regulator, we support them in terms of assessment of their business, of their planned operations, the assets that they're planning to use. So that's our role as a Railway Safety Regulator. I do know some of them are already engaging us in that regard. So our role is to ensure that we do that as efficiently as possible and quicker, but in a way that ensures that we don't compromise the safety of the people. So the pace of the when is really going to be determined by the operators in terms of whether they are ready, they've got the investment, and most importantly, the Transnet infrastructure manager has to play a key role in enabling that. So we're ready. We've done it before, we will do it again. Thank you to all the stakeholders that are here today on the 4th of November 2025 with this rail industry safety workshop. We have here over 200 participants here, more than 50 organizations here from 7 countries. This is really, really, really amazing. We appreciate your interest to come and journey with us to achieve a safe recovery. So from my side, we are grateful, and we're looking forward to working with everyone in the industry to make sure that come 2030, we achieve 250 million tons per annum and the 600 million passenger moves.